puppy can make you laugh all day with his professional cosplay.
There you go.
Huh?
Do you understand what I'm saying? Kiss me if yes. Am I pretty?
Huh?
Am I pretty? Kiss me if yes.
This puppy will show us one way to avoid problems, and that is to be silent.
Kiss me if yes.
Duncan. 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 Duncan.
Mm?
What?
Hopefully, this dog has washed his butt well.
Bottom line is we need to get a dog protection. Like if
When you are so hungry that your bones taste good.
immediately terrified.
You want to sing a song?
This is the familiar reaction of every best friend when their friend has something new. There's no need to exercise because your house is a running race every day. If you're confident that it's possible to win against an amateur player, you are completely wrong. Everyone becomes shy in front of a handsome person, even a dog.
No!
Huh?
No. No. No.
Happiness cannot be expressed in words, but is fully expressed through actions. Your racetrack will become meaningful if you've a companion.
Look at him.
Para de rir. Hã? She's not gonna do it now.
Well, she will.
Why? I don't. Okay, no hat. Get off me. What is it about the hat?
No matter how old you are, you can take an animal language class. Sharing love with others is impossible.
Studied on killing you. I studied about it quite a bit.
Dogs can solve many human problems. There is no reason to stop loving them.
Uh-oh, I left the drawers open.
If you don't have a remote to help you close it, this fur baby is ready to do just that.
Left the drawers open. Here. Here. Over here, I left these open. Alright, here. Alright, good girl.
Are you kidding me right now? I seen ya.
The dog had a special greeting with the car, although it is a bit painful.
Over here. Layla, pig.
You can live in a romance movie when your dad is around. We see a child too eager to ride a bicycle here. Animals have had memorable experiences with humans.
I'm just gonna scooch it right here if you don't mind. Shh.
The truth is, Dad can know the spell to summon his child instantly. Similarity in personality is the basis for creating a family.
Bark at your retired military working dog.
He formed a kids' soccer team within 5 seconds. The Lion King movie with a no-budget version. Everything has to be put aside when the call of food is heard. His cuteness filled her day with joy. The only one who slept with your husband, but no one objected. Share with us your feelings, and we'll see you next time.